So my name is Bob Defrancesco. I'm a commercial motor vehicle safety inspector. A good portion of my job duties is school bus inspections. So this has been a great refresher on operations and basic electrical theory that I have long since forgotten since I've stepped away from the repair side of the industry. I really enjoyed getting back to the basics and how things work. It makes you remember all the stuff that you forgot, but it also kind of builds up on the things that you can start to add tools to your toolbox, would be the best way I would put it. It'll remind me just why things work and how things work. So when I see something not operating, it gives me the opportunity to help the technicians understand if there's a light out, why the light's out, if one's flickering, the different operational stuff, why things work in unison, why one should be working when all should be working, things of that nature. Well, in itself, if you are not training your technicians, you're starting to follow behind. Technology is moving so fast with so much different equipment, so much different changes to things. Monumental movements in technology are happening in safety and operations of all vehicles themselves, but school buses themselves are moving out of the Stone Ages into modern technology. Having that constant amount of training will do nothing but make you a better technician. Better technicians make our kids safer, our roads safer, and our public safer. I have been thrilled to be here. I've made so many great connections. The people here are great. The training has been amazing. The connections that I've made have hopefully made me a better just person, but again, made me a better inspector.